Hello, I'm just checking in here, showing you an update for the arrows, and these arrows are available at buysellarrows.com. Now, I'm having a look at USD CHF on a daily chart. A few days ago, I saw a new signal form here, a sell signal, and before I would enter this trade, I would look back on the chart. When I mean by look back, I'm going to look back at the previous signals. Okay, and I see here it's done pretty well since January 2017, almost 2 years. Okay, well over a year. So on this signal here, it made over 600 pips. This signal here, it made over 200 pips. This signal here, it made over 500. And the previous signal, it made over 530 pips. So when I looked at that, I was like, you know what? This could be a really good trade, right? Because in the past, almost 2 years on the daily chart, it's done quite well. Okay. So, yeah, that's just a little update. And again, before you enter a trade, it's always best to look back on the chart, see how it's performed in the past using that time frame. And then at that point, you could decide whether you feel comfortable opening that trade or not. You can put it on multiple time frames, multiple currency pairs, and set it up where you get an alert notification to your platform. So let's say a new signal opens up, you'll get a new notification and a sound when a new signal opens. Or you can set it up where you can have the new alert sent to your email or to your cell phone. So that's it, and thanks for stopping by and checking out the new update for buysellarrows.com.